That is 100% a myth. Like, why? Like, I know they do that in like American films and that, but why would you do it in real life? Like...
No, I have never had my head flushed down a toilet.
You do not start school at 6 o'clock. I start at 9 o'clock, but my first lesson is at 9:20.
That would be a myth. All schools around this area start at 9 a.m, but buses, if you're catching a bus, then your bus might be leaving at like 8 a.m. or 8:30.
Oh my god, thank god it's not the truth, otherwise I would have been late to school every single day.
Well, in Denby High School, there's a sports activity every dinner time and after school on every day, and it's always different. After school I do badminton or football on a Monday and rugby on a Thursday.
That is the truth. We have a lot of clubs going lunchtime, some before school, like before school, lunchtime and after school. Like we got like chess club, anime club, like sports clubs.
I haven't seen a class of 60, there's usually a class of 20 to 25 people.
It is a myth, yeah, because in my class I only have about 22 or 23, but the largest class size is about 30.
From my experience, I don't really get that much homework. But if you do, they don't give you much to do.
Once every 3 days, something like that, or maybe none at all in a week. Just depends what the teacher's like, really.
My favourite thing about going from primary school to high school is meeting new people.
I like a lot of things.
We get a lot of time to ourselves. Like in primary school, we had to listen to what the teachers say and go where the teachers say. We couldn't go anywhere around the school for lunch or break.
I like the sports in Denby High because you have much better facilities than in primary school. Because in Denby High we have the swimming pool, the whole leisure centre and the AstroTurf, so I find the sport is much better opportunity.
Hey guys, gobeithio bod hynna wedi helpu. I hope that's helped. Any of you going to year 7 in September, unrhyw un o'ch chi sy'n mynd I ysgol uwchradd yn mis Medi. I hope that smashed some of those myths. Gobeithio bod hynna wedi dinistro rhai o'r chwedlau. But, we want to hear from you. Dan eisiau clywed gyda chi. If you've got any questions or maybe any myths that you've heard about, os gennych chi unrhyw gwestiwn neu unrhyw chwedl ydych chi wedi clywed am, please contact us. We're on Twitter, Facebook, and of course you can search for us on the internet. Felly, da ni ar Trydar, ar Facebook, a dych gallu chwilio amdani ar yr internet. It's at DCC Youth Services. So, Denbighshire Youth Services, Gwasanaethau Ieuenctid, Sir Ddinbych. Please, leave any questions or just tell us some of those weird and wacky tales you've heard about going to high school and we will answer them. Diolch yn fawr, hwyl!